The most attractive thing a woman can do is to be obsessed with herself. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wani. If you're new here, welcome. Hey. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how important it is to be obsessed with yourself. Yes, you heard that correctly. So if you're interested in hearing what I have to say about this topic, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. So stay tuned and let's hop right into the video. Let me ask you a question, and I really want you to think about this. When was the last time you looked in the mirror and felt obsessed with the person staring back at you? For some people, it's been way too long, and that's a problem. For me personally, I do that every morning when I wake up, I look in the mirror, and I tell myself, good morning, beautiful. So I do this every morning, and I also do this every time I walk past a mirror. So every time I walk past a mirror, I always look at myself and tell myself something positive, something that's gonna boost my confidence. I want you to understand that it's not about vanity. It's about having confidence, it's about self-respect, and it's about living life unapologetically. Being obsessed with yourself is not about being selfish or arrogant. So don't allow anyone to tell you that, because people love to say, oh my gosh, you're so obsessed with yourself, as if there's anything wrong with being obsessed with yourself. Every time somebody tells me that, I take it as a compliment, because obviously I am supposed to be obsessed with myself. If I'm not obsessed with myself, who am I going to be obsessed with? I'm not going to be obsessed with you. So I have to be obsessed with myself. So there's nothing wrong with that. Take that as a compliment. Being obsessed with yourself, it's about loving yourself so deeply that you set the tone for how you want others to treat you. When you value yourself, you naturally attract better relationships, more opportunities, and experiences. Self-obsession is the foundation of self-worth. And trust me, girl, you deserve it. The most attractive thing a woman can do is to be obsessed with herself. You need to be obsessed with the way you look, the way you talk, the way you dress, the way you act, the way you walk, the way you think. You literally have to be obsessed with everything about you. Your world is literally a mirror of you. So how you see yourself is how others are going to see you. And I really want you guys to understand that having confidence in yourself will take you so far in life. You are magnetic, and people can feel the energy that you give off. So make sure you're giving off good energy. Make sure you're giving off the right energy about yourself. Start by embracing who you are right now. All of your flaws, your quirks, your awkwardness, your weirdness, and all the things that come with you. You're not trying to be perfect, because obviously nobody is perfect, but you just want to be your authentic self. I think it's so important to talk to yourself like you will talk to your friend. Imagine you have a best friend, right? More than likely, you're going to be nice to that person. You're not going to look at your best friend and tell him or her like, wow, you are so ugly. Like, oh my gosh, look at your big nose. Like, girl, you have a big head. Well, if you're joking around, you might tell him or her that they have a big head. But you're not going to be mean to that person. So talk to yourself like you would talk to your best friend. If you won't tell your best friend she's ugly, why would you tell yourself you're ugly? That's so mean. And I feel like we do that a lot. Like, we're so mean to ourselves. We just need to be nice to ourselves. It's you. Be nice to yourself. The way you won't talk to your best friend, don't talk to yourself like that. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmation. It's so important to have positive affirmations, to tell yourself positive things. Trust me, there are plenty of things about you that people love, even if you don't love it or if you don't see it just yet. There are so many great things about you. Look in the mirror and tell yourself that. Positive affirmations helps out a lot. You want to tell yourself things like, I'm worthy, I'm powerful, I'm enough, I'm strong, I'm bold, I'm confident. All these things are positive affirmations. So make sure you're practicing positive affirmations every day. It's also important to surround yourself with things and people that are going to lift you up. I always talk about this. I've said this multiple times in my previous videos. It's so important to surround yourself with positivity, positive people, positive things. If you use social media, unfollow accounts that are going to make you feel like you're less than, accounts that are going to make you feel like you're not worthy, accounts that are going to make you feel bad about yourself. Unfollow those accounts. Love is not just a feeling, it's an action. You can show love to yourself by exercising, taking long baths, having a self-care routine, dressing up. When it comes to dressing up, make sure you dress up for you, because when you look good, you feel good. I'm the type of person that loves to dress up. Like if I'm going somewhere, I'm going to dress up. And people always tell me like, oh my gosh, like you're overdressed. Okay, and let me be overdressed. I'm dressing up for me. I'm not dressing up for you. I'm dressing up because I want to feel good. Let me be overdressed. Maybe you should be overdressed and not underdressed. Dress up no matter where you're going. Even if you're not going anywhere, you're staying at home. Dress up and just sit at home and watch TV or do something productive. Dress up because you're doing it for you. You're not doing it for anybody else. So don't listen to that mess. There's no such thing as being overdressed. Dress up for every occasion, no matter what it is. To be obsessed with yourself, you have to own your power. Stand tall, speak clearly, and don't be afraid to celebrate your wins, no matter how big or small it is. Hype yourself up like you will hype your best friend if something amazing happened to them. Don't just do it to your best friend. Do it to yourself. Be your number one hype man or hype woman. Remember, confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, other people around you are going to believe in you too. When you're obsessed with yourself, you become unstoppable. You radiate confidence, you attract the right energy, and you live life that feels true to you. So start today. Fall in love with your reflection, cheer yourself on, and remember to never ever dim your light for anyone. I want you to always remember that you are a masterpiece, and it's about time you start treating yourself like one. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. Until next time, stay obsessed with you. Mwah.